welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I want to share another Christmas mini photo album. The album's blank base was created during last year's 11th Hour Christmas gift series. I decorated the album with papers from the Merry and Joy collection by Mintay papers. The cover decoration was made with extras from the same collection, creating a beautiful 3D composition. I mixed them with star-shaped elements made of chipboard from my stash. The album is closed with a white ribbon in a lovely juicy red color. I created the album's pages using die cuts from AliExpress, which I bought many years ago. I like their shape and the decorative outline they leave on the edges, so the album dimensions have been adjusted to their sizes. The pages measure 13.5 by 10.5 centimeters, making them suitable for photos 9 by 13 centimeters and smaller. The cover measures 17 by 12.5 centimeters and the spine is 7 centimeters. The album features numerous pockets and flaps, both smaller and larger, closed with magnets and white string. The Mintay Papers collection includes many beautiful cards, and I used almost all of them to fill the pockets. I hope you enjoy the album, have an excellent presentation, and see you next week!